need to quit smoking.
Get a bit more in it. Give it throttle to start with. Make sure it locks. Once it starts locking, it's in the tires. You get ready to spin. All the way to the floor.
Okay.
And down until you feel it shift hard, 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 hard.
Okay.
This time when you come out of it, go a little bit farther before you set it down. You got that. Go farther anyway. Can you hang back up?
So, Charlie, how's it feel to drive a 1952 Peter, whatever? Okay, brake.
Brake.